Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypt Research. Today we're going to be going over a ICO that has caught our eye, and it is called Brickblock. But before we get into that, we want to just go over our disclaimer. We just want to remind you that the information we provide in this video is our opinion only and not financial or legal advice. It is not solicitation to buy or sell or hold any cryptocurrency. We are merely expressing our opinions. ICOs involve a high degree of risk, and you should always do your own due diligence before investing. It is recommended you consult with a professional before investing. We will not be liable for any losses or damages. In addition, we just want to let you know that we are being sponsored, but we will be giving an unbiased review and present the information we believe is to be of utmost importance. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into Brickblock. So what is Brickblock? So basically, Brickblock is a smart contract platform that allows people, regular people and investors to invest in tokenized assets. So basically, tokenized asset is you're taking a asset, for example, real estate. You have a house and you want to put the value of that house on the tokens, and people can invest in that real estate opportunity, such as a house or apartments or whatever the case may be, by purchasing the Brickblock tokens that they're offering in their ICO, and you would be able to receive. It's basically like you would invest cash in a house. You just invest these tokens, and the profits you get back would come back in the form of these tokens. So basically, there's going to be investors who buy these tokens, and they're using the proof of asset concept. And basically, the proof of asset is going to be the real estate example. The house is going to be the asset, and investors are going to be able to invest in that using their Brickblock tokens. And this is bridging the two together, those who want to invest in those projects and the people who are going out and searching for these investments and putting their listings up and listing whatever they have for sale on their platform. So in addition to what Brickblock is, they already have a working platform, and it is already good to go. They're backed by technical and legal proofs of concept, so they have mostly all of the back-end stuff done. They are working on filing a prospectus for regulatory approval in the European Union. So once that goes through, then they're going to be a fully functioning platform, and people can invest in real estate projects, other sorts of assets like that, and they can make money off of that. So also, they had their private sale in December of 2017, and they raised about $5 million in that private sale. So you can invest in real estate and all that sort of stuff just by, with your cash. But why would you use the cryptocurrency, and why would you use specifically Brickblock? So in tokenizing this whole entire process of people investing in real estate, basically you're going to be able to get fast settlement times with low fees. So that means that when someone is trying to pay rent or something like that, you don't have to wait on the bank wire to go through. You don't have to wait 3 to 5 days. You don't have to do any of that stuff. So using a cryptocurrency, it's going to be very, very quick, and it's going to be very low fees. And you're not going to be restricted to like geographic restrictions, like let's say you're in one part of the country, someone's in the other part of the country, and you can't transfer their money. This way, people can invest from all over the world into certain markets that they like, and the money can be transferred much easier. Also, in addition, they have the Brickblock exchange. So they're going to be building a decentralized asset-backed token exchange, and this is going to be built on the 0x protocol. Brickblock also offers an actively managed fund of crypto and real-world assets. So basically, they have the CTF, which is a coin traded fund. In that, they can allocate the funds in, let's say, for example, in the top 10 coins or whatever the case may be. And in addition to that, they also have real investors and real traders who can manage money and invest in what they want. So you can decide, basically, whatever your risk parameters are, you can invest accordingly. So right here is just a quick representation of how you would be participating in the network. So there's going to be real estate investors who are going to invest in real estate, and they're going to put it on the platform, and in exchange they're going to get these tokens. And once these tokens are on the network, it's going to be, as more and more people use it, it's going to be the network is going to get larger and larger, and therefore the value of the tokens are going to get larger as more people are using it and more people are transacting from it. And in order to buy these tokens and invest in the real estate, which could be you know, we are the investors currently who are buying the tokens who maybe want to invest in these projects later. They charge us 0.5% transaction fee, which is very, very low compared to traditional banks and things of that nature. They have had a lot of press interest. For example, they've been on Forbes, Cointelegraph, and The Telegraph, Reuters, FinTech Times, Investing.com. So a lot of fintech, financial technology investors and people who are, you know, just interested in the space and are thinking of ways to innovate. This is definitely one of those examples, and that's why we're sharing it with you today. So a few details about their token sale. Here's their ticker, BBK. Their hard cap's 50 million US dollars. Max supply is 320 million. Max circulating supply is 145 million tokens, and they're selling 75 million to the public for 60 cents. And this is a ERC20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain. And their token sale date started on May 9th, and it goes for 7 days. So let's just go over their token supply breakdown. Like we said, there's going to be only 500 million BBK created, and of that, 51% are going to the ICO, 35% are going to be in a company reserve, and they will have a 3-year vesting period. And in addition, 13% will be sold to early backers and private investors, and that's about how their token allocation is going to go. If you want to check out their white paper, feel free to go on their website. It's brickblock.io, and I will definitely put the link in the description below. So their roadmap, Q1 of 2019, develop ecosystem for coin funds, allow investment with Bitcoin, other top cryptocurrencies, launch the first exchange for asset-backed tokens, and allow U.S. investors to participate, which would be in Q2, which is going to be pretty big. They're going to start with the European market and then work their way over. And in Q3 of 2019, they're going to allow fiat trading. So, you know, you have your dollars, pounds, euros, all that stuff. And you can simply buy the tokens using fiat money. And also their goal is to process 100 million plus in tokenized investments. So they're going to be able to build up their catalog for investments if you want to invest in it, things like that. In 2019, Q4, they're going to be expanding into China, South Korea, and the rest of Asia. So let's go ahead and look at, that's next year. We're going to look at the rest of this year. So we're in Q2 of 2018, and they are going to be doing their ICO, finishing their ICO, and they're going to be getting the token on exchanges. Q3, they're going to, so they're going to be developing the full real estate smart contract system, and they're going to be partnering with global real estate firms. So they're going to be doing that to get more and more investment opportunities on their platform. So in Q4 of 2018, they will be partnering with investment funds, and they're going to be offering the first tokenized investment fund for people to invest in. So that's all we have for the roadmap. So something interesting that we saw on the team portion of Brickblock is that they have a group of people they call ambassadors, and these ambassadors are people who have pretty large influence in the crypto communities that are out there nowadays. And for example, we have Crypto Rand here with a little less than 200,000 Twitter followers. We have Crypto Mocho with 112 Twitter followers, Mr. Backwards with 54.5K, and so on and so forth. You see that these influencers have a lot of followers on Twitter. So for example, we have Crypto Rand here. Just go through his profile. You know, it's a really professional profile, and he is obviously in this case an advisor sort of role in the media and marketing aspect, and getting the word out there that Brickblock is there. And as you can see here, he's pretty active. He has 9,400 tweets, and he tweets a lot of stuff in the crypto market, you know, technical analysis, his ICOs that he likes, and platforms that he likes, and so on and so forth. And then here we have Crypto Mocho. It's a nice and playful Twitter page, and he just also talks about similar things. And obviously he has 113,000 followers. So Mr. Backwards here, and so on and so forth. And in addition, they have a pretty big crypto following if you look at all the people combined. And in addition, they have in their Telegram chat, they have a little less than 30,000 members. So it's getting a lot of hype from the community and getting a lot of attention from the community and the investors. So it's definitely something to look out for. I definitely think it's going to do well in the near future. We'll have to see what exchanges it gets on later on when they announce that stuff. I can't be speculating on what they're going to be getting on. So we'll definitely see how it comes out, but their community is pretty strong, and Brickblock has a little less than 30,000 Twitter followers. So it's a nice balance that they have on Telegram and Twitter. So they're engaging with almost everyone that follows them on Twitter, and that's a pretty good community that they have going on there. As of now, Brickblock has had a pre-sale, a private sale, and they have 3 stages of their ICO. It's basically their motto for the ICO, and they have raised so far $11,330,000, a little over that. And this 3rd stage is going for 7 days, and it already started on May 9th. And as I'm making this video, it's May 14th, but you still have a little over a day to participate in this, almost 2 days to participate in this. And if you guys are interested, you can definitely just go to www.brickblock.io, and I will definitely be putting the links in the description below if you guys want to check it out on your own. So with that being said, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video, and we'll definitely be getting more active and coming out with more videos. We have some ICOs that we're looking at right now that are looking really good, so we will love to share those with you guys and give our unbiased opinion on what we think the ICO is all about. So with that being said, I'd like to once again thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care.